Hi, this is the 3Ls technique, reverse multiplication method. Do you ever wonder what if this equation is equal? AB squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, correct? Set an integer example. Example 1, let A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 8. When we replace A and parenthesis A, B, parenthesis squared, 58 squared, right, is equal to, replace A by 5, A squared plus 2, A and B, 5 and 8, plus 8 squared. And the square of 58 is 3,364, right? And then use the reverse way of solving multiplication on the other end of this equation is equal to 5 squared plus 2 times 5 times 8 plus 8 squared. So 5 squared is equal to 25 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 80 plus 8 squared is equal to 64. And then indented into the right instead of the left on our multiplication method, we just reverse it and intended to the right. You'll come up with 4, 0 plus 6 equal to 6, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then you'll come up with 3,364 equals to AB squared. So when you come up with the answer, it's equal, right? Parenthesis A, B, parenthesis squared is equal to parenthesis A plus B parenthesis squared. So when you expand it, AB squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. When you solve it and replace it into a real integer and solve it in the indented to the right instead on the left, solving the multiplication, they will come up with the same answer. So this is another example. Let A is equal to 6, B is equal to 7. Then replace with this equation. A and B is like 67 squared is equal to 6 squared plus 2 times 6 times 7 plus 7 squared. And when you square the 67, it will come up into 4,489. It's equal to 6 squared plus 2 times 6 times 7 plus 7 squared, and indented to the right, it will show you in the next slide. So check on the right side. 6 squared is equal to 36, plus 2 times 6 times 7 is equal to 84, plus 7 squared is equal to 49. So indented to the right, then bring down all the numbers, sum up. For example, 9, bring down 9, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So it will come up with the same answer, 4,489 on the left side of the equation, AB squared. So both equation equals to 4,489. Are they equal if A and B is an integer, right? So if A and B are both represented in integers, they are equal. Use the reverse way of multiplication. Instead of going to the left in a conventional way, go to the right. Try it by yourself, and then I'll tell you how to solve the 3 to 4 digit integer after. This is not to disrupt the conventional way of solving the multiplication, but just a matrix for everyone to know, right? Thank you.